Hey kids, Ike the Vike here. Let's talk about integrity. Integrity is the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. To put that in better terms, integrity is being able to do the right thing when others are not doing the right thing. Let's check out some of Gibraltar's finest demonstrating integrity. In each video, you'll see some people not following the Viking way. Then, one person will show their integrity by correcting their friends. You can do this for your friends too. Integrity is incredible! Take it away, Gibraltar!
Fries, cheesy fries, cheesy fries, cheesy fries.
Integrity, remember how it used to be?
Stop! That's not what we do here. That's not the Viking way. This message is approved by Vanessa. Stop, guys. Stop. Put your feet in. We don't do that here. You could trip.
Oh, what are you doing this weekend? Oh, that's nice.
Stop, guys. You're way too loud. That's not what we do in the hallway. Save that for outside. Guys, stop. There are other classes going on, and they have to concentrate on the important work they're doing instead of close your locker like this. My work here is done.